Well, a landmark agreement has been reached to reform how the NYPD conducts policing of protests.
Okay, they'll now use a four-tiered response system to help minimize their presence and employ more de-escalation tactics. Fox 5's Chris Welch breaks down the new protocols.
There really has never been an agreement like this anywhere in the country.
For more than 3 years now, the NYPD's tactics deployed during the George Floyd protests of summer 2020 have been the subject of scrutiny. But on Tuesday, the Legal Aid Society, the New York Civil Liberties Union, and the State Attorney General's office announced a historic agreement, a settlement to various lawsuits brought in response to 2020 that will reform its use of force tactics and the very nature in which the city's police respond to protesters.
Police kitted out in riot gear when the people standing on the other side next to them are just holding signs. It's that kind of aggressive police response to protests that triggered a lot of the violence that we saw in the summer of 2020, and that this settlement is really aiming to put an end to.
Corey Stoughton, an attorney in charge of law reform at the Legal Aid Society, says the reforms will ban the practice known as kettling, where police corral a crowd using barricades, then arrest them. The new policies aim to minimize police presence, and they require police to use de-escalation methods before increasing response.
What we continue to see at protests even today is the NYPD overcompensating in their response to protest.
To quote the Attorney General, this agreement will ensure that peaceful protesters can make their voices heard without fear, intimidation, or harm.
I spent my entire career fighting for police reform and accountability. And this agreement is another step in making the reforms necessary.
But the officers' union, the Police Benevolent Association, is not signing on to the agreement because they say we have serious concerns about its impact on the safety of police officers and all New Yorkers.
I actually think the NYPD deserves a lot of credit for agreeing to this, because it is a novel approach and it is a change from their past approach. And we'll be there to make sure that they faithfully implement it all along the way.
Chris Welch, Fox 5 News.